This is the best feeling. Arriving at your hotel room after a long trip. But how clean are the sheets? Let's zoom in and find out. This seems very clean. Ooh, wait. This is a hair and it's not mine. Is it just one or more? There is another one. Now I think it is getting gross. Okay, what is this? It seems so gross. It looks like something really dirty. I don't know if I feel comfortable sleeping on this thing. This is a long hair. I wonder of how many different people those hairs are. Well, now we've put the UV lights on. Luckily, the UV lights did not show any body fluids. Well, I don't know who lost this hair, but it is almost a part of the sheets. Okay, to be honest, those hairs are so small none of us saw them with the naked eye. So it doesn't matter. It is washed, so no bacteria or virus will be here. Sleep well and tight.